Coming back again with another stream, and today we have a rare victory for Tiger Woods. Before we get started, make sure you guys smash that like, that thumbs up, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you are new, turning your notifications that way you don't miss streams for NBA, NFL, college, other sports news, and more. Before we get started, how about LA? LA taking the L, Boston taking the L. Not feeling it. Not feeling it, but I will be streaming those games this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. All right, so let's get into the story. Tiger Woods. Judge rules Tiger Woods' ex girlfriend must abide by the NDA. This is why contracts are important. So a Florida judge ruled late Wednesday that the ex-girlfriend of Tiger Woods must abide by a non-disclosure agreement she purportedly signed and resolved her lawsuit seeking millions from the golf superstar through private arbitration behind closed doors. Circuit Judge Elizabeth Metzger, in an 11-page opinion, rejected Erica Herman's attempt to quash the 27 agreement by saying Woods had committed sexual harassment against her, calling Herman's allegations vague and threadbare. Herman has had the opportunity to provide factual specificity for any claim relating to assault or harassment. However, she has not done so, Metzger wrote. Metzger also said that the evidence shows that a non-disclosure agreement was negotiated between Herman and Woods in 2017, even if her attorney, Benjamin Hodis, now questions whether she actually signed it. At a May 9th hearing, Hodis conceded that Herman signed an agreement, but he said she doesn't remember ever seeing the one Woods attorneys presented to the court. My goodness. Shout out to you, Jesse. What's going on with you? Tilton in the building. You know, it goes without saying. It's a rare victory for Tiger for a couple of reasons, right? 9 times out of 10, or we'll just go back a few years. We'll go back a few years. During the Me Too movement, his NDA wouldn't have mattered. His NDA would have been thrown out. But now that things are a little bit calmer, right? Things are a little bit calmer. Things are a little bit more, um, I want to say, gearing towards particularly normal times, I would say. Um, the NDA stands, which it should stand. It's a contract. You know, that's just the reality of things. With that said, we'll keep it going. Metzger said that if Herman unequivocally denied signing the agreement, she would have ordered a hearing on that issue. But since Herman isn't sure if she signed it or not, that is a question for the arbitrator to decide. Hey guys, I'm not sure if I signed the contract or not. I don't know if I signed it or not. I could have. I don't remember. I don't know if that's my signature. I'm sure someone who specializes in signatures can tell whether or not I actually signed it, but I don't remember. I don't remember. Says neither Hodis nor Woods attorney J.B. Murray immediately responded to late Wednesday's emails seeking comment. It is unknown if Hodis will appeal. Herman, 39, has sued both Woods, 47, and the trust that owns his $54 million Florida mansion, seeking $30 million from the latter amid unspecified allegations of harassment. Forbes magazine estimates Woods' net worth at $1.1 billion. Herman, who managed Woods' Palm Beach County restaurant before and during the first years of their romantic relationship, argues that the non-disclosure agreement is unenforceable under a new federal law that says such contracts can be voided when abuse or harassment occurred. She alleged in her court documents that Woods threatened to fire her if she didn't sign a non-disclosure agreement. Hodis argued that it is a type of harassment, treating one employee different from the others because they have a relationship. Listen, everybody, if you have a relationship with someone that you do business with or that you're working with, make sure that you treat them the exact same as you treat everybody else. You can't make this up. You can't You can't make this up at all. This is absolutely insane. We'll continue going on. In Herman's lawsuit against Woods, she alleged Metzger to void the non-disclosure agreement or at least give her guidance about what she can say publicly. She also argued that the contract covers only her work relationship with Woods, not their personal matters. So hey, I want to talk about all the personal stuff, even if it's in a non-disclosure agreement because I signed that when we were in business together. So I want to talk about all the personal stuff because I have to find a way to make money. I have to find a way to make money, and I have to do it at your expense. Protect protect your money, people. It's real. Protect your money, your time, and your energy. Protect it. That's why you have contracts. Keep it going. We'll keep it going. In her unlawful eviction lawsuit against the trust, she is basing her $30 million claim on how much it would cost to rent the property, like Woods' beachfront mansion north of Palm Beach, for the 6 years of residence she was allegedly promised by the golfer and then denied. Come on. In her unlawful eviction lawsuit against the trust, she is basing her $30 million claim on how much it would cost to rent a property like Woods' beachfront mansion. Because guess what? She has to live that standard of life because she lived with him, right? She has to maintain that because he gave her that lifestyle, and now she wants to keep it going. So north of Palm Beach, for the 6 years of her residence, she was allegedly promised by the golfer and then denied. Before they dated, Woods hired Herman in 2014 to help develop and then operate the Woods Sports Bar and restaurant in nearby Jupiter, but they do not agree when their romantic relationship and cohabitation began. Herman says in her court filings that the romantic relationship began in 2015 and that in 2016 she moved into Woods' nearly 30,000 square foot mansion in the ritzy Hobo Sound community. She says that in 2017 Woods verbally promised she could live there at least 11 more years. Hey, I promise that you can live here for 11 years. Exactly. Just make sure that, you know, you're out by 2031, May 18th, 2031. Yo, what is, oh my goodness, man. What, like, this doesn't make any sense, right? Or am I just tripping? Let me know. Let me know in the comments if this all makes sense to you. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is why I moved the way that I do. This is exactly why I moved the way that I do. Herman says Woods pressured her to quit the job in 2020 so she could spend more time taking care of him and his children. Woods in his court documents says the romantic relationship began in 2017 and that she moved in with him that August, about the time the disputed non-disclosure agreement was signed. In March 2017, Woods had put the mansion into the Jupiter Island Irrevocable Homestead Trust, an entity he created that he has only himself and his two children as beneficiaries, as he should. Shout out to Tiger for the rare W. Shout out to Tiger for the rare W. My goodness. Protect your time, protect your energy, protect your money above all else. It is real out here, ladies and gentlemen, and people are coming for it all. They want to take whatever they can as long as it benefits them. With that said, guys, I'll see you for the Eastern and Conference Finals, Eastern and Western Conference Finals this weekend. In the meantime, smash that like that thumbs up. Peace out.